right, back to the market, please. The Dow is now up 700 points. The Nasdaq is up 300. That's a Monday morning rally, isn't it? Jeff Sica's with me this morning. A series of earnings reports coming out this week. What should investors really be looking at mostly?
Well, Stuart, if you look at last week, what last week involved is you had Apple and Amazon, tale of two different companies. You had Amazon surge, you had Apple plunge, and the reason why, and what we'll see this week with Palantir and AMD, is we're going to see the difference between the companies who have AI aspirations and the companies who have AI results. Last week, you saw Amazon with the results. They had multiple streams of revenue. They delivered the results with AWS. This week, we'll see what's going to happen with chip demand with AMD, and we will see if Palantir is able to pivot off of almost strictly government contracts into the more broad-based consumer sector. So it's whether or not, and keep in mind, Stuart, these companies are under the curse of high expectations. So it's can they be, they're going to beat, the numbers are going to be great. Palantir could exceed by about 80%, the earnings by 80%. They're going to beat, but it's, are they able to meet the high expectations that are out there?
Have we got enough? There's all this money being spent on AI. Mm-hmm. Where's it coming from? Are some of these companies borrowing it? Because interest rates are rising, so it'll get more expensive for them to borrow.
Yeah, and look at revenue. I mean, these companies are using 70 to 80% of revenue just to keep up, the hyperscalers, just to keep up with the other hyperscalers. So you have a spend-a-thon that's happening in AI, and now investors are saying, we bought the hype, we all bought these stocks, we all made a lot of money, but now we got to see the results, and if we don't see the results, you're going to have sluggish earnings going forward. So it's all about, can they deliver? No, there's no doubt that AI is exciting. There's no doubt that Apple is a great company, but it's can they quantify these sky-high valuations?
What shocks me is how everybody is using AI for all kinds of things. You ask it questions about your personal relationships or the color of your tie or something.
Well, I'll spend the night just talking to AI, because just asking questions to AI. I mean, it has become such an integral part of our lives. And on the one hand, it's a great feature, but on the other hand, it's a little bit sad that people don't think for themselves as much as they used to.
Yeah, but it thinks for you.
Yes,
it does it rather well, you know.
Yes,
I gotta say.
exactly.
Jeff Sica, you're all right. Thanks for joining me.
Stuart.
Cheers.